Hi, Charlie here. Today I want to talk about the Pretrial Services Officer. Who are they? Now, a Pretrial Services Officer is going to be required if you have a bond condition that involves an alcohol monitor, okay? And their job is to make sure that you get this monitor installed and that you're complying with it. Now, let's point out first that yes, the judge is allowed to require you to get alcohol monitors as a condition of your bond, even if you haven't been found guilty of the criminal charge, okay? And that comes in section 17.40 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, where it says that a judge can impose any reasonable condition related to the safety of a victim or to the community, okay? So a judge can add these conditions. Now, not everybody has conditions, but when you have an alcohol monitor, there always is a pretrial services officer. Now, the officer, their main four jobs, number one, okay, it's to explain the rules to you and get in writing that you acknowledge those rules, okay, because they later don't want you to say, oh, I didn't know. Okay, so they're going to get those rules in writing. Two, they're going to make sure you get the alcohol monitor within the period of time required, which is typically 30 days from release. And then finally, they're going to monitor your reports to see if you're being caught drinking, okay? And they'll finally tell the judge if they think you're violating your bond conditions. And then the judge will decide whether to revoke your bond or make additional bond requirements or whatever the judge is going to do. Now, the pretrial services officer does not have the power to give extensions or modify or change these conditions of the bond. The only person that has that power is the judge. So if you complain or ask about that to the pretrial services officer, they're going to say, hey, you need to talk to your lawyer, who can then talk to the judge and try to convince the judge to change the rules. And just to be clear, the judge isn't going to change the rules unless there's a super compelling reason to do so. Now, so my advice, follow all the rules, okay? Contact your pretrial services officer as soon as you get out of jail. Don't argue with the pretrial services officer in any way. And don't wait to the last minute to get your alcohol monitor. And then finally, talk to your attorney if you're running into any problems. All right, I hope that helps. Give us a call if you have any questions.